Hey, what's up guys? So for today, let's try to deploy our Angular app to Firebase. So for the entire video, I'm going to use the Angular app that I have created when following Angular tutorial, angular.io/docs, and in the getting started, there's this tutorial, tour of heroes. You can check that out, it's very easy to follow. Okay, so first, we have to set up a Firebase account. To do that, navigate to Firebase console. It will ask you to log in using your Gmail. After logging in, click on the Add Project button. Give your project a name. Let's call it Deploy Angular Project. Click on Continue button up to step 3. So for step 3, this is where you connect a Google Analytics account. You can choose default or create a new one. So for now, let's choose the default and click on Create Project button. Alright, our Firebase account is all set up and ready. Take note of the project name because we're going to use that for later. Okay, so the next step is to build our Angular project. To do that, let's open our CMD and navigate to the root project and type in the command ngbuild --prod. So this is an Angular CLI command, which means that you are initiating a build process that will optimize our app for production use. So bundling and modification will take place and the result will be created in a dist folder. So if everything is successful, you will see a folder named dist is created. Next, let's install Firebase globally using the command npm install -g Firebase-tools. So this will allow us to use Firebase CLI. Alright, now it's done. Let's type in Firebase login. So since we are going to use purely Firebase CLI to deploy the project to Firebase, we have first to authenticate that action to our account. So type in no for this question, and that will automatically opens a browser where we can log in our account. and then click on Allow button. So if everything is successful, you will see that on the page, and also on your console you will see similar to this. Alright, now that we are almost ready for the deployment, let's type in Firebase init. So type yes to confirm your action to proceed. So as we are going to do hosting, select hosting option. Navigate the options using the down key and hit the space key to select. After that, press enter to confirm the selection. So we are going to use an existing project. And select the previously created project, the deploy Angular project. So next we are going to use the dist folder where our bundled files is created. Let's type that path to the console. Alright, configure as a single page app. So yes, because Angular is a single page app. Let's type in yes. File index.html already exists, so there's an option for us to overwrite or no. So we have to answer no. It's very important to take note, because if you are going to choose yes to it, Firebase will replace your index.html to something that you are not intended to be displayed on your site. So let's type in no. And now it's done. The initialization is done. We can now type in the command Firebase deploy. So it may take a while depending on how big your application is. So there you have it. You have successfully deployed the very first Angular app in Firebase. So it will show you the hosting URL. Let's check that. So yeah, it's working. This is the Tour of Heroes made from Angular. So back to your Firebase account. When we choose hosting menu, we can now see that it's not empty anymore. You can see your deployed app here, and you can manage that. You can add custom domain, and you can actually add another site to it.